Brokers will block you after making millions with this strategy. After making quick profits with this strategy, I tried to withdraw my profits. That is when I received the email from this broker saying, you need to change your strategy because it's so powerful. It will make us go broke soon, so you need to change it please or get another good broker. So today I'm going to give you this strategy for free, so make sure you like this video and also watch until the end for you to fully understand this strategy and also how to get it for free. In order to break this broker, I had a plan of having a powerful strategy that I know that it wins 90% of the time, and also I had to risk as much as possible so that when the market goes my direction, I at least double my account and make even more. And after that, I would withdraw as much profits as possible from this broker so that it stays broke. Some of you may be thinking that it's a complicated strategy. No, it's not a complicated strategy. It's very easy and simple. We are using only these three indicators: parabolic SAR, moving average, and MACD. For the parabolic SAR, step must be 0.01, maximum 0.1, and color black. For the moving average, period must be 100, method exponential, apply to close, and color blue. For the MACD, fast EMA must be 64, slow EMA must be 128, MACD SMA must be 9, color green and red, and you are done. Now your chart will look nicely like this. Now it's time for us to look for trades. First, go on a 50-minute time frame and then look where your market is according to the 100 moving average. If it's above, it's a buy. If it's below, it's a sell, and it's just that simple. And if you look right here where we are, what does it tell us? It tells us the market is in a sell. So now we need to go on a smaller time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame, as you can see right there. Right here on the 5-minute time frame, that is where all the magic happens, because that is where we're going to find our sell trades, and also the same place we are going to find our buy trades for us to make money. For you to find your sell trades is very simple and easy. You want to see where the market is according to the moving average, and you can see where the market is right now. It's below the 100 moving average, which means it's in a proper sell, which also goes together with the 50-minute time frame, which tells us the market is also in a sell. So before you decide to sell, you want to see that you have the parabolic SAR bringing these dots on top like this. Then it must change from this bottom and then start to print those dots on top nicely like this. That is where you know that the market has changed from buyers to sellers, and immediately at this level, that is where you want to look to sell if the third confirmation is there. So what is the third confirmation? The third confirmation is very simple. For the third confirmation, that is where the MACD comes in. You want to see the MACD starting to form bigger candles, and also right here you see this red moving average on the MACD. When the bar starts to form below this moving average, you now know that the market is now in a proper sell, and when you sell right here, it will go straight into your direction and never look back. Is this simple? If it's simple, like this video so that I know that this is a simple strategy and also give you more about this. But if you did not understand the first part, let me show you for the buy trade so that you can also understand it better. For your buy trade, you start also on the 15-minute time frame. You want to see on this 100 moving average, the market must be above nicely like this and also moving up, which shows that the market has momentum and also wants to go up. Then after that, you want to go to the 5-minute time frame where you are going to find your trades and see if the market is going into your direction. If you now go on a 5-minute time frame and see that the market is moving above the moving average, which now tells you that the 15-minute time frame is telling you the market must go up, and also the 5-minute time frame is telling you that the market must also go up, which means that is a strong buy right there, and you must take advantage of that right now. So you as a clever trader, you don't just enter blindly. You want to wait for some confirmations that tells you that the market is about to go up, and when you enter, it must go in your direction. So how do you do that? Firstly, you want to see the parabolic SAR dots from this top going to the bottom like this, which means now the market has gone from being consolidating and now it wants to go up. As soon as you see the dots starting to form below, you want to go to MACD at the bottom right here, and then you want to see exactly what's happening right here, where you see the MACD candles becoming bigger and bigger and also above this red moving average. And when all your three confirmations are ticked, that is when you enter your buy trade exactly at this level and target for the market to go up. You know, normally when I want to make quick profits, I use Exness as a broker because it is the best broker that I've ever used. You can open your account using the link in this video description. But today I said, let me try another broker and see if it works the same, and also if I'm going to get paid from this broker. So I went on the 15-minute time frame and saw that the market is below the moving average, and you can see that the market is moving nicely below this moving average, which means it's in a sell zone and we must be looking to sell. Now let's go to the 5-minute time frame and see what the market is doing right here, and you can see what's happening. The market went down below this 100 moving average, which means the 50-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame, they are both telling us the market must go down, which means that is the best time for us to look for sell trades. But there is only one thing which is stopping us. The market is still forming parabolic SARs below the market, which means they must turn from this bottom and then go on top of the candlesticks, which means that is the time we want to sell. As for the MACD, it tells us now the market is in a sell zone, and you can see that here it's moving down nicely, and also the bars are below the moving average. At this moment, there is no need for you to rush. You must be patient. Wait for the market to give you all the three confirmations that you need. For the market to be below the 100 moving average, the parabolic SARs to turn to the top, and also for the MACD to be below the moving average. When everything lines up, we must enter a sell trade and actually break this broker and make the most amount of money from it. Now everything is in line. We are only waiting for the parabolic SAR. When it starts to print dots on top, then we enter some sell trades. Since our goal today is to break this broker, we have to enter as many trades as possible and also make as much money as possible. When we are done, we are going to see if this broker is going to pay us, because right here I am using one of the best strategies that I know, and also using maximum leverage so that we can at least double our account. Because of the loss sizes we have used, you can see the running loss, how much it is, $100 because of the running loss. For you to use maximum leverage, the trick is very simple. You look where it's written margin level percentage. If it's above 100, you can still add more trades and actually make more money. But if the broker says not enough money, you can place sell stops below the last trades, and then you can actually place as many as possible so that when the market starts to go your direction, they can be triggered, and also it will also make you money when the market starts to go your direction. After placing your last trade, what's left only is to be patient to see how the market is going to go. You can see the running loss is becoming smaller and smaller. As you can see right there, $77 also becoming smaller and smaller, now at $44, which means we are now getting closer to our entry right there, $40. At this point, it means the market is agreed with our strategy, which means it's now going in our direction. What can we do? We can add more trades again, because we want to make the most amount of money as possible. So as long as the market hasn't gone far away from your entry, you can still add more trades. As a beginner, you may be wondering, what if the market goes against you? Well, to make money with a strategy, you need to totally believe that your strategy works and also it's very strong. Some retracements are going to be there, but the direction still goes down, which means the strategy will work, but you only need to be patient. As you can see that when the market is going down, we are making more profits, and also the profits are coming in quicker. We are now around $100, guys. As you can see, $200 just from this strategy. And that is what happens when you follow your strategy from first to finish, from your entry, every confirmation confirmed, so that you can actually have good trades like this. As long as the market is still going your direction, you need to be patient. Don't close your trades too early, because our target today is 500 and above, nothing less than that. So we need to be patient right now and watch the strategy do the magic right there. Just from using this strategy today alone, I have learned a lot. You need to follow your strategy from start to finish, step by step, from understanding your indicators and also when to enter, and using maximum leverage. As you can see right there, we are now around $600, $700 profits just from using this strategy, which now shows you how the market will pay you when you follow everything you need to do step by step and not cutting corners or trying to be smart better than the market. And that is the reason why school dropouts like us find it easy to trade the market, because we know that we are not smart and we follow the strategy step by step as it is, and we hit our target, then we close our trades just like that. So we don't need to be greedy at this moment. When we hit our target, close your trades, and now it's time for us to withdraw profits. That is when I received the email from this broker saying your withdrawal has been cancelled and turned back into your trading account. Please change your trading strategy and trade according to the terms and conditions of the user's agreement, which says the company reserves the right to monitor trading strategies used by the clients, detect fraudulent trading strategies such as trading on spikes during high volatility, strategies using technical imperfections of the platform. And looking at our strategy, we don't see anything we violated right here. So comment below which one do you think we violated, and why did this broker reject our withdrawal? And that is the reason why I always recommend you to trade with Xness. Open your account using the link in this video description.